Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Movano NV400 INTERSTAR 2.3CDTi 125 L3H3 rear-wheel drive 3.5t EU5 open-mouth smile ULEZ compliant kissy face ready to go. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150728. MOT, 3 September 2024. Engine, 2299 cc 2.3125 PS E5F. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. 2.3 bulletproof engines grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Good high roof van perfect for a camper conversion open mouth smile. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp